Okay, so I'm going to apologise in advance because this camera has been playing up lately, so I'm not sure if this video is going to work or not. Excuse the shiny face as well. Anyway, I have arrived in Perth. I've checked into the COMO the Treasury in the city just for one night, and then I'm going to my auntie's and staying there for the rest of my trip. Anyway, this hotel is insane. It's probably the biggest room I've ever had that is not classified as a suite. It's 600 square foot, and I'm just going to show you how big it is because it's actually insane. So here is the front door, and then here is the humongous room. Like, it's so big that I can actually hear my voice echoing. So here is the little desk area. Here are my camera bits. And then obviously humongous bed, nice little seating area, a little table and chairs set with a very pretty view over the cathedral, and the river just peeking here. And then this is the other side, and over here we have a mini bar, and the whole of the mini bar is free, apart from the alcohol. So you've got a good selection of drinks in here, and then you've got some nice little snacks here, and then in here is the alcohol, and that's all you pay for, and then coffee machine, etc., tea, a nice bowl of fruit. And here here is the biggest hotel bathroom I think I've ever seen. So as you can see, plenty of room for activities, a huge great big bath, an even bigger shower, which frankly I think is big enough for about 6 to 8 people. I mean, here is my foot for scale. As you can see, it is absolutely huge. And a massive great big rain shower above here, and then small ones there. And then here we have his and hers sinks and plenty of mirrors, hey! And then over here we've got a huge great big kind of walk-in wardrobe type of thing. They even provide a yoga mat. Is that a yoga mat? It looks like it. I think it is. It's a very large yoga mat. And hanging space, drawers, dressing gowns, what's in here? Safe, slippers. Oh, they have everything. And then another great big mirror. And then in here is the toilet. And then, yeah, and then here behind we have the French doors opening up onto a beautiful Juliet balcony. So here we go. And the balcony goes the whole way across. And there is a lovely view. Bells going. Oh, there's some other balconies. So coming back inside, now there aren't any doors into the bathroom, so if you're traveling with somebody that perhaps, you know, is not your partner or significant other, say you were traveling with a friend or like your parents or sibling, I don't know, a colleague, I have no idea. It could be a little bit awkward because, yeah, there are no doors into the bathroom. So you just have to make sure that your friend either goes to the pool while you're using the bath, because look, you sit here and you have an immediate view to the bath. Or if you're just in the shower, your friend could sit on the bed or here, because then this wall blocks the shower. But yeah, anyway, so that could be a little bit awkward. I mean, even if they just put curtains there, so you could put curtains, I don't know. Anyway, it confuses me when these new hotels do not have doors to the bathrooms. That is my only thing that I'm unsure about. But I mean, this room is incredible. It's insane. It's beautiful. I'm absolutely in love with it. I mean, look at this design. It's just so fresh and contemporary. Oh, I'll close that. And yeah, it's just really, really beautiful. So here we go. Also, this is a heritage balcony room. And this is, it's not even a suite. Like, this hotel has suites. This is classed as a normal room, and it is this big. So I would love to see the suites, because I can't even imagine how massive those are. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go check out the pool, and then I'm actually doing a yoga class across the road. Yeah, anyway, here we go. I hope you've enjoyed. Please subscribe, and I will see you soon for another room tour. Bye.